If you understand the basic structure of if function, then let us understand how we can use if function on an advanced level where the output is based on multiple conditions. Like in this example, we have the marks of students in audit, accounts and tax subject. We want to pass the student if the score in all the three subjects is greater than 50, and if the score is less than 50 in any of the subject, then the student will fail. So in this situation, we cannot answer the question based on simple if function. We have to use a combination of two functions, if and function. So let us begin with and function first. Put an equal and press tab to activate the function. With the help of AND function, we can test 255 condition. But here in this example, we have to test only 3 condition, and the condition 1 is audit should be greater than 50, comma, account should be greater than 50, comma, tax should be greater than 50, bracket close. Now what AND function will do? AND function will give you true if all the conditions are satisfied. If any of the condition is not satisfied, then AND will give you false. Currently we have marks above 50 in two subjects, but in tax subject we have less than 50. So two conditions are satisfied, but third condition is not satisfied, so AND will give you false. But if I make it, let's say 65, then this will become true because now all the conditions are satisfied. Now what we can do, we can use AND function within if function to get the output as pass or fail. So press F2, come to the start of AND function and put if function here. Open the bracket, come to the end of AND function, put comma here. Now AND will work for logical test. If AND gives true, if will give you pass. If AND gives false, if will give you fail, bracket close. Now what will happen? If AND gives true, if will give you pass. If AND gives false, if will give you fail. Let us see what is the answer. Answer should be pass. Let us do it once again for a revision. Put in equal if, press tab to activate the function. Now we have more than one condition to test, so we have to use AND function. Put AND function here itself. Now check very closely. If I put the opening bracket for AND function, the syntax of if function will change to syntax of AND function. Now logic 1 is audit should be greater than 50, comma, account should be greater than 50, comma, tax should be greater than 50. That is the end of third parameter. Now to come back to if function, close AND function. If I close AND function, check very closely, the syntax will change according to if function. That is the end of logical test. Put comma to move to next parameter, value of true. Now if AND gives true, if will give pass. If AND gives false, then if will give you fail, bracket close. Now the answer here should be pass because here we have above 50 marks in all the three subjects. So AND will give you true and if will give you pass. So if I let's say make it 35, then this will be fail. Why we are getting fail here? Because we have above 50 in two subjects, but in the third subject we have less than 50. So now just copy this and paste it across. I will advise you now you practice this problem in your Excel file, and if you find any problem, come back to this video and understand it again.